Hi, Scott Bruder here. So, I'm going to try out my new multimeter. This one here is one I've had a while and spends most of its time in my bag when I go to sites. It's really useful because, it's got a nice little lead. It does have a non-contact probe if I want to just remove it, but it lets me do a lot of the voltage stuff that I have to look for. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put it into voltage mode. I'll find myself a set of batteries for this new meter that I'm testing. I don't know if it's AA or AAA, so let's make sure we've got a couple. .34, 1.32, uh, 1.36. So those are going to be the two batteries that I use. Oh, I got one more here to test. .36. Yeah. Let's go with those two. Now, granted, I do have a new pack of industrial Duracells. Let's see how these stand up. Okay, these are good till 2030. This one is oh 1.58. And .6. Those are amazing. Okay, well, let's find out if it's AA or AAA, and we'll go from there. So turn this off. So the meter I picked up was this Kaiweets HT118E. I believe it used to be, or maybe it's a similar model, or made in the same manufacturer as I thought it used to be called. The original one was called Hobo Test. I picked up some Hobo Test gear back in the day, and it works really well. So I don't know if Kaiweets bought the designs or if it's just a brand that they're marketing. If anyone knows what's up with this Hobo Test Kaiweets line, let's talk about it. Put it in the comments. So the meter comes in a nice box. We got a material case. Everybody does unboxings. If you want to see this unboxed, go find one on Google. So we've got the unit itself, and we've got some power probes. Let's just set this aside. It looks like we have thermostat. It probably works with the thermostat. Oh, I see Celsius and Fahrenheit there. And then we've got just a standard set of probes. They're nice and sharp though, that's nice. We'll set those aside. So, I don't have to worry about this being fiddled around with. It's in a sealed bag. Impressive, so I'm just going to open it up. I feel like first things first, everyone's going to want to read the manual. I know that's one of the things I'd like to do. It's a good sized book. Now granted, it probably has multiple languages in it, so I doubt this one book is going to be about all of the unit. English, Dutch, Spanish, French, Italian. 3 years warranty, I'm okay with that. And it looks like there's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram posts on all of them, so I will read that in the future. We'll flip this over. In the back we got some hanging things, we got probe holders. Actually the rubber feels nice. It's got a flashlight. So I'm assuming batteries are under here. I don't know where under there. It says it takes two AA's. I think I have to take it apart. A nice stable stand on it though. Hey, that's nice. Okay, let's take the rubber off. Ooh, the rubber doesn't want to come off. Is this permanently on there? Yeah, it feels like it doesn't want to come off. Okay, so we'll take out this screw here, and we'll find out if that's where the battery compartment is. Oh, yeah. Here you go. Perfect. Okay, well, that was very straightforward. So what I'm going to do is, let's go back to these other two batteries. I had one of them at 1.6 volts, one of them at 1.5 volts. Let's just put the best two batteries in there. That way I don't have to worry about coming back to this for decades down the road. Okay. Just because of the way the screen orientation is. Positive, negative. 1.59. 1.58. 1.59. Perfect. These two are the best. And these two can go back in the box for the future. Okay, so there's no fuses in here, so they must be inside. I hope the thing has fuses. Hey, hey. I got lights. It's got a huge display on it. It may have an internal temperature probe, but I do like how when I switch it to the setting, it tells me where the probe needs to go. Okay, well, it's up, it's on, it looks nice. Does non-contact work? Let's find out. Yeah, well, that's kind of fun. It does. I don't think I'll use that much. Okay, well, I'll turn it back to off until sometime in the future when I find a useful use for it. It is going to stay on my bench in place of my old Mastercraft. Not bad at all. Perfect. Comment, reply, tell me what you guys are using. Am I wasting my money on a $50 Kaiweets HT118E, or will it be a suitable upgrade from this Mastercraft? We'll find out. Time will tell.